Total Restoration Services, our commitment to excellence extends beyond just our services. It's integrated in every aspect of our operation, especially when it comes to keeping our vehicles running smoothly. We understand that reliable transportation is essential for promptly servicing our valued customers across Wisconsin. That's why we entrust Sam, our lead mechanic, with the responsibility of maintaining and repairing our entire fleet. Sam's expertise ensures that our vehicles are not just operational, but optimized for peak performance. Whether it's routine maintenance or addressing unexpected issues, Sam approaches each repair with meticulous attention to detail and a dedication to quality workmanship. His efforts translate directly into our ability to respond promptly to our customers' needs, ensuring that we're always there when our clients require our assistance. But it's not just about keeping our vehicles on the road. It's about delivering a comprehensive, fine-tuned service experience to our customers. Just as Sam fine-tunes our vehicles, we apply the same level of precision and care to every aspect of our work, from roofing and gutter services to siding, doors, and windows. By maintaining our fleet to the highest standards, we're able to uphold our commitment to delivering timely, efficient, and top-notch service to each and every one of our clients. At Total Restoration Services, we understand that the key to satisfied customers lies in our ability to consistently deliver exceptional service. By keeping our vehicles in optimal condition, this ensures that we are always ready to meet the needs of our Wisconsin customers and efficiently and reliably take care of them. So call me for all your roofing, doors, window, siding, and gutter needs. We'll hear from you soon.